Hi there. I'd like for you to think back to a moment you enjoyed as a child. Are you there yet? If you're like I was, you played every chance you had. In the woods, kick the can, street football, horse and 21, hopscotch, jump the brook, capture the flag, bike rides, king of the mountain, on and on and on. Hours of fun times, every chance we got. Fast forward to college-age students. I have a sad story for you, but I believe there could be a happy ending. Across the United States, college health data indicates an inverse relationship between stress, anxiety, and depression, and physical activity and quality of life. Salem College students are trending at a more alarming rate than the national average. Although most students know that physical activity is beneficial, there are a multitude of reasons many students choose to not be active. It is slightly shocking to me when college students are offered opportunities to be playful and engage in fun physical activity. I often hear comments like, "I haven't played like this since I was a kid," or "This is so much fun," or "I didn't realize how much I just missed playing and having fun." Enter more fun physical activity on college campuses. What's fun, you might ask? Fun is individualized and subjective. To have a greater reach, a variety pack of activities is needed to increase physical activity. Inside, outside, individual, group, competitive, non-competitive, just to name a few. Also, having a conversation with students about what's fun to you is a real fun place to start. From the research, and as you can see on the chart, my best guess is more fun physical activity opportunities will lead to increased motivation to be active, which will lead to higher participation in physical activities, and ultimately the story can shift. Quality of life and physical activity will increase, and stress, anxiety, and depression will decrease on college campuses. Let's have some fun and get moving.